Alright, you guys, welcome to the channel, Andrew for Life. Please help me out with the algorithm. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on that little bell for notifications. You know how it goes. Um, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, crypto. Yeah, I am really into stocks and crypto and investing. Um, if you look at some of my earlier videos, you'll see I'm into Pokemon cards, but I'm also into sports cards. And I'm into crypto heavily, and I'm softly into stocks. I've been taking some free courses on like day trading, um, and I'm trying to learn how to get into like futures trading and stuff like that. But I'm only in the learning phase. I'm just invested in crypto right now. And so I wanted to talk about crypto, focus on that. I was just giving a little summary about, some of my stuff. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional. None of this is financial advice. But with all that out of the way, I do want to analyze some stuff that I noticed going on. Some stuff's happening right now. We got some jumps with the candlesticks. If you guys don't know how to read candlesticks, I highly advise you take a course and learn how. I personally am still figuring out how to learn them better, like really efficiently. I don't know how to read them super well, but I have figured out that basically, yeah, it's like a very helpful financial chart if you ever want to invest in anything, and I think everyone should. This is all my opinion, right? But I think how it works, you guys, is when you put your money in a savings account into a bank, the bank just takes that money and does what we're doing right now. Okay? So you might as well just skip that step, okay? And go ahead and start investing on yourself. Invest yourself is what I'm saying. Learn how to invest. So, learning how to read a candlestick chart, the bank knows how to, so you might as well learn how to. So basically, Bitcoin has dropped to 43,000. People are panic selling. People are saying, I'm going to sell at 40,000. I'm going to sell at 39,000. Listen, you guys, I just want to cover this real quick. Okay, this is going to be a short video. But the main topic of this video is to just inform you guys cryptocurrency is a decentralized form of currency. Okay? The dollars that America uses, USD, okay, that's the currency we use, that is currently inflated, okay? It is perceived to be more valuable than it is. And um, it is going to be less and less valuable as time goes forward, right? And the federal government is planning on doing things. If you just do some Google searches on what they announce and talk about doing, it seems like they plan on increasing this inflation, right? And making this inflation worse. They don't really seem to like understand like history, inflation. I don't understand personally what's going on. So from a like personal perspective, I'm just like looking at things. The housing market, if you don't know, is it seems like we're gonna get some crazy laws passed where it's going to be impossible to afford insurance rates and stuff like that, and interest rates coming up soon, is what I meant to say. So I'm not sure the housing market is going to hold. I'm not sure that the economy, the stock market's going to hold. I'm not sure that the federal government, with COVID and with the stim checks and the trickle effect of all this, and then more COVID cases spiking because of Omicron, I'm just, the dollar inflating and then all these factors, it just seems like we're due for probably like something bad with inflation in the dollar. And then we have on top of this, like, unfair work wages. People are protesting to quit their jobs, and companies aren't listening. I mean, there's a lot of bad things going on, y'all, in the US economy, but there's a lot of good reasons and a lot of good going on, a lot of good reasons to switch to crypto and a lot of good going on in crypto, because it's decentralized, right? And you know, there's a lot of bad too. There's scams, um there's pump and dumps, there's rug pulls, you know, there's all sorts of negativity in every field of every area. But what I'm just trying to say is I'm trying to focus on this one positive aspect, which is just that decentralization. And I want you guys to understand that that concept alone will basically always keep crypto afloat. And there's really no reason to panic, even if the charts, you know, crypto's already hit a point where millionaires, billionaires are so interested in it. I don't think Bitcoin alone will ever really tank too low. Personally, I think that I think it's probably a safe bet. Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Everything else, I don't know, for real. But Bitcoin, you're probably good on. Yeah. So, you know, the Bitcoin drops and stuff like that. And keep in mind, you guys, you know, a lot of companies own Bitcoin and whales own Bitcoin. So they control what you're seeing the value. Not a lot of people who just want Bitcoin or are interested in it. But that will definitely change if the US dollar just keeps losing its value, slowly but surely. So just keep in mind that it's not necessarily about just, oh, it's down to 43,000, it's up to 66,000 one day, it's down to 39,000. Unless Bitcoin hits $0 and stays that way for months, I just think that the idea behind decentralization, well, personally, I think that that idea is so important. And I am seeing and so glad to see that other people recognize that that idea is great and super important. And it seems that a lot of people are on board and just, you know, the consensus seems to be that Bitcoin is one of those ways that we can decentralize currency. And whether Bitcoin is ultimately the currency or just a collector's piece of like some ultimate NFT in time, you know, it's gonna be a relic of history. Bitcoin is. It's not like, even if it's not the currency, it's still such an important piece of history. Like, look at what Bitcoin has done for cryptocurrency and decentralizing currency. And, you know, guys, decentralized currency 100% is the future because the US dollar can't, you know, compete. So ultimately, you know, this is like the Mandalorians. This is the way. So just check this stuff out. I hope I gave y'all some stuff to think about. And, you know, I definitely hope you guys check out the candlesticks. And I'll leave a link for this because this looks great. I might just check this out myself. Want to learn more about candlesticks, charts, and patterns? Click here for our free training. You know, that seems really cool. Candlecharts.com. So, you know, guys, excuse me, I'm switching between tabs. But yeah, a little Bitcoin crypto update, a little information about me, and all that. So, Andrew for life, peace out.